Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into real-time feature development patterns. Exciting stuff!
Absolutely. Real-time features are a must-have for modern apps. So what are the key patterns discussed in this article?
The article outlines several key patterns. First up is poke/pull. It's simple. The server pokes clients when an update happens, and clients pull the new state. Think of it like a waiter notifying you your food is ready. You then go get it.
I see. So what's the downside? The obvious scalability issue, right?
Exactly. Fan-out is a major problem. One update triggers multiple pull requests, potentially overwhelming the server. But caching and spreading out the pokes can help mitigate that.
Right, caching makes sense. Okay, what's next?
Next is push state. Here, the server proactively pushes the entire updated state to clients. It's more efficient than poke/pull, avoiding the multiple pull requests.
That sounds great, but doesn't pushing the entire state become inefficient with large datasets?
You're absolutely right. It's not scalable for large states. A tiny change means sending the whole thing again. That's where push-ops comes in.
Ah, push-ops. So instead of the whole state, you just send the operation that caused the change?
Precisely. You send only the necessary changes, making it much more efficient. For example, instead of sending the entire to-do list, you just send an update saying, "To-do item 2 is now complete." Much smaller, much faster.
Makes sense. And what about event sourcing?
Event sourcing focuses on sending the event itself, not the operation or the state. Instead of update to-do item 2 to complete, you send to-do item 2 completed. The client then handles the update based on the event. It's more purist, but requires more client-side logic.
Interesting. So it's a trade-off between server-side and client-side complexity.
Exactly. And finally, the article discusses transports. WebSockets, server-sent events, SSE, and others are all options, each with its own pros and cons. But the key challenge is scaling across multiple servers.
Right, horizontal scaling introduces complexities. How does the article suggest handling that?
Pub/subsystems. They handle the fan-out across multiple servers, making it much easier to manage updates in a distributed environment. It's a crucial consideration for real-time applications at scale.
So to summarize, we've covered poke/pull, push state, push-ops, event sourcing, and the transport challenges. A great overview of patterns for building robust real-time features.
Absolutely. Choosing the right pattern depends on your specific needs and scale. Remember to consider factors like data size, client-side complexity, and the need for scalability. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.